Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Every time your mind shifts, your world shifts. Remember, what we feel and what is real are often very different. If you believe that the world is conspiring against you, it will just do that. Repel people in your mind, and you will repel them in your life. See others as above you in your mind, and you will be below them in your life. Love people in your mind and connect with them in life. The brain waves we send out are the only ones others will surf back to our shores. Think better than bitter. You are far better than bitter. We say that we want peace of mind, but what we really want is peace from mind. Not a mother, nor a father, nor any other relative can do more for the well-being of one than a rightly directed mind can. Your day was never bad. If you think you had a bad day, check your mindset. Your mind can destroy your life. Mind your mind. Think well. Detoxify your thought and be free. A positive mindset attracts success like a magnet, and a negative one loves to marry failure, procrastination, and comfortable environment that sobs in mediocrity and impossibility. If you want power, control the narrative in other people's head. If you seek happiness, control the narrative in your own head. There is no way that a clear mind can live an unhappy life. Be happy for other people. You have the same opportunity to make your life great. Seeing the mud around a lotus is pessimism. Seeing a lotus in the mud is optimism. Many things grow in the garden that were never sown there. Weeding out the harmful influences should become the norm, not the exception. Sometimes answers come to you in the ways that only you can understand. That is why it is so important to have a clear mind to receive and understand the message. Hope you like the contents. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome.